Hi guys. So the gentleman behind me is Boosted Bill, another YouTube creator who contacted me last night asking me if we were going to the show today, which he was going to, and he's like, can I stop by? I want to do a video about your car. I was like, absolutely. So he just got finished waxing it and now he's doing his thing, and I'm going to put his information at the end of the video and in the description so you can go over there and check out his video. It's going to be awesome. Always is. But we are on our way to Berryville today, and I'll do my introduction there. We are at the end of summer cruise-in car show with Boosted Bill in Berryville, Virginia. Let's go around Main Street, see what we see.
Let's go check it out.
Sometimes I'm feeling high, but sometimes I'm feeling low. I wanna stay inside, I could call my bed my home. I've been trapped inside my mind, that's what keeps me in the zone. I think that I'll be fine, but I do not really know, yeah. It's too late for me, not too late for you. To be great, you'll see, the pain's worth the truth. I don't wanna be just someone that's new. I speak my mind so free, so you could hear the truth. Yeah, I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear. I don't wanna think about the pain no more. Everybody's not the same. We all open different doors. Yeah, we've all got different brains. That's what keeps starting these wars. I just stay within my lane, hope my words even score. I just try to keep it real. Find a way to buy a meal, find a way to make a deal, find a way to help us heal. I don't wanna have regret. That's what pushes me to get everything I wanna get. Work with every single breath, yeah. I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear. I know that we all have fear. In the back of our minds we hear the devil that's in our ear. Let it push you to see more clear.
So I hope you enjoyed the show. I want to thank Boosted Bill for coming out and doing a video on my car. And subscribe to his channel. Again, it's at the end. And we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gear.
See you guys.